We're working on cleaning the greenhouses today, but our hands are just getting frozen and I can't believe it. Check it out, it's snowing, March 21st. I'm not sure when this is going to end, but this is getting ridiculous. Look at all this snow. This is crazy. March 21st, guys. This is why we haven't turned on the irrigation yet. This is why we are not fruiting mushrooms yet, because looks like winter is still here. But hopefully this is the last of it. I can't believe this. I've never seen snow in March, end of March, like this. Anyways, we're gonna go work in the shop and bag up some grain spawn and finish up the day and let our hands warm up. Alright guys, the snow finally stopped. That was some really weird weather, but it doesn't even look like it was snowing anymore. What I wanted to just finish off this video with is wood chips. So we grow on hardwood chips, and my partner is an arborist, and one of the benefits of that partnership is that we get to recycle their waste product and we turn that into mushrooms. So this time of year, getting a load of wood chips is awesome because it doesn't have any leaf in it. It's really awesome stuff. I don't even need to worry about putting it on my tarp to dry it. It can actually sit here for at least 10, even sometimes 14 days without the worry of anything molding up. And really that's because there's no organic matter in the wood chips, and the temperatures are cold enough that I don't need to worry about that. So just so you guys know, we've played around with a lot of different stuff. Right now that pile is poplar, and we've grown stuff like maybe willow, maple, tree of heaven, Siberian elm, birch. Basically any type of broadleaf hardwood species is great to grow mushrooms on, and we don't really care what we get in most cases. It's all great stuff. So if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button right now and share and like these videos with your friends, and check out our 2017 mentorship workshop on our website at wtfmushrooms.com. All right, we'll talk to you soon.